Anika and Jacob, this is where we keep our goats and sheep. We used to have food, but the things that we're expecting are not that big. They're very small, the traditional ones. So this one, I little don't know how many we have. What die?
So there are 5.
There are 5. Oh, okay.
One, the other one is here. One's here.
These ones.
So there are 4. 5
in total. So these are the piglets, and then their mother. They are not fed with that food we buy from the shop. Normally we feed them with this.
They were 30, but
You like pigs? Yes. If you don't own a farm, are you gonna be able to stay in a farm?
I'm not staying there. I just stay in the city, so I don't even.
Oh, what about Jacob? You stay in the farm.
yeah.
He grew up there, but now he's staying with me in the city.
No, I mean, like, what if you own a farm?
What again?
What if you own a farm? How are you gonna survive? Like, how are you going to stay in the city while you're owning the farm?
Oh, my cousin will take the farm.
Oh, okay. So these are my father's cows. See, they are not as big as the ones we're seeing by the road because of the environment, definitely. Well, we must have like 2 cattle pens like this, because that one, let's say if it's raining like this, the cows, they don't like to sleep in the cow dung like that one. Normally they'll spend the whole day standing like this because of the wetness. That's why you see that side, the other side, very soon maybe they'll move to that side. Then next they'll move in the next one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The smell is bad anyway.
That's normal.
The smell. I was saying that
You know, like cows have beautiful eyes.
Eyes. Oh.
Yeah.
And then we were saying that we use either fertilizer or the manure, natural manure. They take it from the cow dung.
Yeah, it's like a really too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we spray it like.
With the pesticide.
No, like, but it's liquid. The cow dung.
Oh, the cow dung is liquid.
Yeah.
So,
with the pee and also.
The reason why we had to build like this is because here we have hyenas.
Yeah. So
sometimes they can even remove these things with their mouth.
Really?
Yes. So that's why we build it like this.
Watagondowere gombe racho kwai bada zigondogwe zombe
atizive
noiziva
tindazive nechekunoku aoni.
You have to be small to get inside.
They'll come close here.
You can come close.
You can see them. But maybe it's good if I'm not seeing my mom.
Tina. Chibatira da ubatira. Ndiro. You're scared?
No, I can't see her.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. When's the phone?
Wait, do you want to sleep? Slaughter a sheep or?
The sheep.
Oh.
Yes. Vakaurairwa Gwai.
What's the male one? No.
Yes, the male one. Move. Ndauda unanika. So rofamba yakati muchafamba mama kana sikufambe naro. Ufamba naro. Kuti unomirira bed. Mirira ari bed. Chikazira zvari bed. Azozvigona here ungasavhunika here. Wakutofamba naro ikunda here. Rokukuwadza iwe. Kuwashainde ipi? So that's how we close the doors. Anika, you are feeling pity for the sheep? Are you feeling pity for the sheep?
Yes.
Andozvombera chero. Hanzi handizivi fara shamwe dindi. Mune mangani magondo? Saka wala chirasara akakura sei?
How do you pick them? Like a few.
So yeah, Washington was asking if this one is the bigger one. They said yes. Then I said, okay, how many male sheep do we have? They said 2 more. Then I said, okay, how big are they? The other one is similar to this one, and then there's a smaller one. So my parents, like, if you're picking them, they know that, okay, there's one with the entire black head, there's one with the brown head, something like that. They know. And they...
So yes, look at this. When it is summer season, it will be very hot. So if you check pig, the goats like to climb up here. So what we seek for fresh air here. And if a hyena comes, it will just sneak in from this side. If it grabs the nose, it will not release until this force.
Oh, this is Vakaurairwa.
Yes.
Okay.
Until this force, yes, is either the head breaks or this, or it falls. This is how powerful it is.
So how do you slaughter the sheep at your farm?
We don't have sheep at our farm.
Oh, you don't have?
No, we only have vegetables.
What?
Vegetables.
Oh.
We used to have like cows, but my grandfather used to. And in the when there was the Second World War, when there was the Second World War, like every farmer has sheep and pigs to the army. So they slaughter them. So they used to make it silent. It was like they round a globe around the nose, and then
Papa vaitero. Pane. Da bana mchahiri. Unza yakira utira mchahiri. So they have to sweep first. Awine chimvura iri pakwini.
Pakaneiwa. Vene banga nedishu.
Nichimtsvairo. Mafusha mwari.
That's the stone where you slaughter everything.
Yeah, sheep and goats. And pigs. But then you can't slaughter a cow here.
Yeah, because
there's a place they used to slaughter a cow. It's not here. And you know where I go. As where I go.
there's a bigger one.
There's a bigger one there.
So how long?
But the way they slaughter a cow is very ruthless. Yeah. Nisando. Kore blue ratakasiya riripi? Sari rimwe racho riri bisa.
Haunyange reblack redade.
Kokarodza.
But yes, this is one. It's more like taking a bricks without any foundation. Because it is the foundation. It's bricks can be laid. Yeah.
Tambobika pasi pebakwa. Pasi pebakwa nyama iyo. Nyama yegwai ampoto manje. Kubika mavheji pasaidi. Vabudisa here varumbi vakuvikira zvese pakaipa sikana asi zhara ndo yatipika zhara wati topikira mubakwa because pandimboona tichikanga charapapo ndechedoro mama waita zvetoro samba tatoti ngatitingouya panapa tigare tawo cook by list vachiita zvekubika doro ravo tiri panapa then mukati mugazebhu vanzi muchaitwa brai anangonzwawo so hamene kuti zvichafamba sei but anyway izvozvo kaone nyama yabrai wanayakira uyu saka anenge aita zvekuibvura ona manje ndeyekupa varumbi iyoyo hamene kuti itadzikike here
Vanorya, vangakona kurya nyama yekuti madhusira mumbako.